Have you ever wondered what happens when satellites in space become old or stop working? Do they stay floating around forever? The answer is no. Companies that operate satellites have to remove them safely to keep space clean. Recently, SpaceX released a report showing that it deliberately brought 260 Starlink satellites back into Earth's atmosphere over a 6-month period. This is an important step in managing space responsibly, and today we'll explain everything in simple words. SpaceX is a company founded by Elon Musk that operates the Starlink satellite internet network. Starlink is designed to provide high-speed internet to people around the world, especially in places where traditional internet services is difficult to reach. To make this possible, thousands of small satellites orbit around the Earth. As for now, Starlink has become the world's largest satellite constellation. New satellites are launched regularly using SpaceX Falcon 9 rockets. However, satellites are not designed to last forever. Most Starlink satellites have an unexpected working life of around 5 years. After that, they need to be safely removed from the orbit. According to latest Controlled-Deorbit report, SpaceX decommissioned 260 Starlink satellites during a 6-month period. The word decommissioned simply means the satellites reached the end of their useful service or were retired for technical or operational reasons. Instead of leaving them in space, SpaceX intentionally bring them back toward Earth. Now, you might be asking, what exactly is controlled-deorbit? A controlled-deorbit is a carefully planned process where engineers command a satellite to slowly lower its orbit. The satellite uses its own boarding system to reduce its altitude until it enters Earth's atmosphere. As it travels around the atmosphere at extremely high speed, the intense heat causes almost the entire satellite to burn up before reaching the ground. This method helps prevent old satellites from becoming long-term space debris. So why is this important? Space around Earth is becoming increasingly crowded. Thousands of satellites from different companies and countries are orbiting the planet. Along with active satellites, there may be old satellites, broken spacecraft, and small pieces of debris left behind from past missions. Even tiny pieces of space debris can travel at speeds of more than 27,000 kilometers per hour. At their speed, even a small object can damage another satellite or spacecraft. That's why safely removing satellites after finishing their mission is considered an important part of responsible space operations. Another question many people have is whether something dangerous falls to Earth during these deorbits. In most cases, the answer is no. Starlink satellites are designed so that almost all of their parts burn up completely during atmosphere re-entry. Engineers specially build these materials that reduce the chances of surviving re-entry. This greatly lowers any potential risk to people on the ground. Why were 260 satellites removed in just 6 months? There are several reasons. Some satellites may have completed their planned service life, others may have experienced technical problems or been replaced with newer and more advanced versions. SpaceX regularly updates the Starlink network by launching improved satellites with better technology and performance. Replacing old satellites helps maintain reliable internet service while improving the overall efficiency of the network. Some people may wonder if removing hundreds of satellites means something is wrong with Starlink. Not necessarily. When you operate thousands of satellites, it's normal for older units to be retired over time. Similar to replacing old airplanes, cars, or computers with newer models, satellite operators also upgrade their fleets as technology improves. Experts say responsible satellite operators should always have a clear plan for both launching and safely removing satellites. These reports also highlight a growing focus on space sustainability. Governments, scientists, and private companies are paying close attention to keeping Earth's orbit clean. If old satellites are left in space without control, they increase the chance of future collisions. A collision between satellites could create even more debris, making future space missions more difficult. Because of this, controlled deorbiting has become an important part of modern satellite operations. SpaceX says it continues to monitor its satellite fleet closely. The company tracks satellite health, performance, and orbit position. When a satellite reaches the end of its mission, engineers can safely guide it out of the orbit instead of leaving it behind. As more companies launch satellite constellations for internet service, Earth observations, and communication, responsible satellite disposal will become even more important. Space agencies around the world are encouraging operators to follow practices that reduce long-term space debris. Starlink itself continues to expand, bringing internet access to more countries and remote regions. At the same time, SpaceX is showing that managing satellites also includes safely retiring them when their work is finished. These reports remind us that space exploration isn't only about launching new technology, it's also about taking responsibility for what we place in orbit and making sure it does not create problems for future generations or satellite space missions. In my opinion, safely removing old satellites is just as important as launching new ones, because it helps keep space organized and support future scientists and communication missions. I also believe that responsible space management will become one of the biggest priorities as more satellites are launched in the coming years. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NewsDrift for more easy-to-understand updates on space, science, and new world news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.